Hello children, this is the question paper for class 7 maths final term examination. This is part 2 where I am going to solve section B. Section A has already been done in my previous video. If you haven't watched that, please go and watch that. Link is given in the description box. So section B starts from question number 11. Since the base is same, we would add the powers. So this gives you minus 5 plus minus 11 minus 8 because last one is in division, for which we have to subtract. Should be equals to minus 8x. Forgot to write the base, so I am writing it again. So base is same, 2 by 9 minus 24 is the power and equals to 2 by 9 minus 8x. That is minus 8x is equals to 24, minus 24. Therefore, x is equals to 24 divided by 8, which gives you 3. So x is equals to 3 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. 2.2 square multiplied by 2.5 square. So, this can be further written as 2.2 multiplied by 2.5 whole square, which gives you 5.5 square. To write in form of p by q, we will write it as 55 by 10, which gives you 11 by 2 whole square. Therefore, 11 by 2 is your answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 13 is, find the value of p if 5p equals 47 square minus 42 square. This is in the form of a square minus b square, so which gives you a plus b, a minus b. A is 47 and b is 42. Gives you 89 multiplied by 5. And the answer is 5p equals to 89 multiplied by 5. So, here p equals to 89 multiplied by 5 divided by 5, which gives you p equals to 89. So, p equals 89 is your answer. Let's move on to the question number 14. Evaluate 102 whole square. So, 102 could be written as 100 plus 2 whole square. So, this is now in the form of a plus b whole square, which gives you a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is 100 and b is 2. When you solve it, we'll get 10,000 plus 400 plus 4, which gives you 10,404 is your answer. Let's move on to question number 14. Factorize 25a square minus 49b square. Let's do this. Now a square equals 5a whole square minus 49 is equals to 7b whole square, which gives you, which is in the form of a square minus b square, which gives you a plus b, a minus b, where a is 5a and b is 7b. Question number 14b is 9x plus 3xy to be factorized. This one is quite simple. 3x is common here, so we'll take 3x, then inside the bracket it will remain 3 plus y, and that's your answer. Now let's see question number 15. So read out the question, okay? It's quite lengthy. Let's suppose her sister's age is x, because we don't know her age at this moment. Let's take Vijay's age as y, that is y. According to the question, y should be equals to x plus 12 because he is 12 years older than x. So 4 years later, what happens? Y will become y plus 4, which is equals to 3x as per the question. The value of y equals to x plus 12, we get x plus 16 equals to 3x. That means 3x minus x equals to 16. That means 2x equals to 16, which gives you the value of x equals to 8. So, her sister's age is 8 years because her sister is x. We know that y equals to x plus 12. That means y is equals to x is 8 plus 12. That means Vijay's age is 20 years. So, her sister is 8 years and Vijay is 20 years is the answer. So, let's move on to the next question. Look at the question carefully. The figure is something like this, where they are asking the angle A. As we know, angle ACB should be equals to angle ADB. Why? Because they are subtended from the same chord, that is chord AB. So, whenever any angle is subtended by a chord, that is always same. You can see chord AB is substituted by the angle, this one, ACB and ADC. First angle is 60 degree, that will also be 60 degree. Now let's concentrate on the triangle ADB, this triangle, okay. As you can see, we have got the two angles here, that is angle ADB and angle ABD, that is 50 degree and 60 degree. So angle B plus angle D plus angle X should be equals to 180 degree because it is the interior of the triangle ADB. Therefore 50 degree plus 60 degree plus X should be equals to 180 degree. That means X should be equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. That gives you 70 degree. So X is equals to 70 degree is your answer. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 17. We have to find out the rate percent here. So since 800 has become 1000 in 2 years, that means interest is equals to rupees 200 in 2 years. So according to the simple interest formula, PTR by 100 should be equals to 200. That means 800 multiplied by 2, that is years, and rate should be equals to 200. If you solve this, we get 16R equals to 200. That means rate is equals to 200 divided by 16. If you solve this, you will get how much? 25 by 2. That means 12.5% is your answer. That means rate is equals to 12.5 per year. The second part of this question is, it's almost same, but it is asking the time. Let's start it. Again, interest is equals to PTR by 100, that is principal is 2100, time we don't know, and rate is 10%, which is equals to 735. So if you solve this, we get time is equals to 735 multiplied by 210, which gives you 105 by 30. Again, for the solve it, you will get 35 by 10. That means time is equals to 3.5 years is your answer. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 18. Simply asking the unlike fraction to be added. For this, you might have already known that we have to find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is equals to 60. So we have to make the denominator 60 for all the fraction. So we will multiply it by the number which gives you denominator 60. So 1 by 3 is multiplied by 20 by 20, 1 by 4 is multiplied by 15 by 15, and 1 by 5 is multiplied by 12 by 12, which gives you 20 by 60 plus 15 by 60 plus 12 by 60. Now denominator is same. So we just add the numerators, that is 20 plus 15 plus 12 divided by 60, which gives you 47 by 60. But they are asking it to find it in decimal. So for this, what we have to do, we have to divide 47 by 60. Let's try this. Number 47 is smaller than 60, so we have to add the decimal first, then we will just simply divide it. So if you divide it, you will get the answer 0.7833, means 3 will go continuously. So it is non-terminating decimal, okay, reoccurring decimal, because 3 and 3 is reoccurring. That's your answer. Let's move on to the next question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 1 to 7 and 8. Find the angles. Let's add the ratio first. That gives you 18. So 18x should be equals to 360 because the angles, interior angles on the quadrilateral is always 360 degree. So x is equals to 20 degree. So first angle is 20 into 1 equals to 20 degree. Second is 20 into 2 equals to 40 degree. Third is 20 into 7 gives you 140 degree. And the fourth is 20 into 8, which gives you 160 degree is your answer. For question number 20, the figure is something like this, and question number A is triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ACB? So the answer is yes, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ACD. Question number 2 is, read the 3 pairs of matching parts used to answer A. For that, the first fact we will use here is AB equals to CD because it is already given in the question. The second fact is angle A is equals to angle B. Why? Because it is a corresponding angle where AB and CD is parallel line and AC is transverse. So this gives you angle A equals angle B. And third fact is AC equals to AC, which is a common line, common side. So question number C is which angle is equals to angle CAD? So the answer is angle ACB is equals to angle CAD. Why? Because it is also a corresponding angles. So this is the end of a section B again. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in section C, the last part of this question paper. Thank you very much. Bye bye.